What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. Today we're going to be doing the windshield wipers on a 2008 Toyota 4Runner. Sorry, it's getting dark. So we're just I'm going to show you how to take these off. Here's the new blades. This is what the new blades are. There's one of them. There's the other one. So one's a 22, one's a 20. So start by flipping this up. There's gonna be a little tab right there, and it just slides out. As you can see, I kind of already got it out. All right, there it goes. So again, there is a tab. Oh, here it is, right there. So on that tab, you just kind of push up. So I'll show you really quick on the other one again. Here's the other one. Kind of pull it up, flip the blade up. There's the tab. I'm gonna push that tab in. Again, it's not the greatest angle. So let's see. Oh man. And again, it makes it a little bit easier when you have two hands. There we go. Oh, that one's not coming off. All right, let me see if I can get the phone to kind of balance on its own. Here we go, let's see. All right, it's kind of balancing, so. All right, anyways, you get the idea. Sorry, it's not balancing. And again, you kind of need two hands to do it. So kind of just flip it up, press that tab. All right, there it goes. And kind of flip it back over. Oh, I disconnected it again, or reconnected it. So yeah, push that tab. As you can see, it pushes down. And you pull it, then it'll just come off. So yeah, again, it's a little bit easier when you have two hands, because I can just slide it out with the other one. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all you do. Then to do the new blade, make sure you're matching them. Find the end that's kind of rounded like that. Once you find the rounded end, you will slide it in and then pull, and it should lock. There it goes, and that's locked. There it is. And then take off this little rubber thing. But yeah, I mean, that's really all you do to get the blades off. Again, this one's a little bit more complicated because again, it's a little bit more difficult to do it with one hand, but there it is. So yeah, I pulled that up. There's the rounded end, and on the back side there's the clip that you pull up on right here, that clip. So yeah, hopefully you found this video helpful. And again, sorry about how bad it was quality wise, and again, it's really difficult when you're doing it with one hand. So if you have two, you're a little bit better off. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching 303 Streets. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them at the bottom. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.